Today I am going to share with you a recipe of the snack which is very crunchy, very crispy and healthy as well because I have prepared this with wheat flour. You can store this snack in an airtight container for several weeks. Enjoy it every time with your tea or whenever you feel some appetite. So now let's get started. For preparing this snack, I have taken a bunch of fresh and green fenugreek leaves. I have already washed these fenugreek leaves with the help of water 3 to 4 times in order to remove all the dirt and dust. Now gather all the leaves in the form of a bunch and chop them finely. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of pure ghee in a pan. You don't need to heat this ghee very strongly, rather add these fenugreek leaves very quickly. Just saute them for 3 to 4 minutes. Very soon you will see that the color of the leaves turns into a very beautiful green color and its quantity has become very less. These leaves are done now. We need to cool it very quickly, so I am going to transfer these leaves onto a plate and leave it for some time. In a big vessel I am taking 2 cups of wheat flour and half cup of semolina. Now it's time to add some spices to it. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of carom seeds and 1 teaspoon of sugar powder. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds to enhance the crunch of the snack. And here is the salt according to the taste. Now I am adding around 2 teaspoons of pure ghee in this flour and I will mix all these ingredients in the flour very properly. Now let's check the binding of the flour. In order to check the binding, just take some of the flour in between your palm and fingers and hold them tightly like this. If it is attaining a shape, it means the quantity of the ghee is perfect. Now it is the right time to add fried fenugreek leaves in the flour. Now I am adding some of the spices to it. Red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 pinches of asafoetida. Here goes Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix each and everything very properly and now it's time to knead the flour. We will knead the flour by adding little by little water to it. Don't add too much of water at a time, just add the water slowly little by little in batches. Here I prepared a semi-soft dough of wheat flour, fenugreek leaves and spices. Just cover this dough with a lid and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. Here I am taking 4 teaspoons of pure ghee in a small bowl. Instead of taking ghee, you can also take butter. To this pure ghee I am adding 4 teaspoons of corn flour. Just mix the two in order to get a smooth paste like this. Yes, like this. You can see the consistency. 20 minutes has passed and now I am going to knead this dough for a very short while in order to get the very smooth texture of the dough. Now divide this dough in 4 parts so that we can manage the dough easily. In this way we will prepare the balls of the dough. So we will get total 4 dough balls over here. As you can see here, I have taken a ball of a dough and I am trying to make it flat with the help of my hands first, and after that I will roll it out with the help of a rolling pin. Just roll it out as thin as you can. See, like this. As the dough is having rolled out, I am going to apply the paste of corn flour and pure ghee which I had prepared earlier. I am going to spread this paste all around evenly and after that sprinkle some refined flour like this. Yes, evenly all around. Yes, it's done now. Now fold this as shown in the video, like this. Apply the paste of corn flour once again and sprinkle refined flour like this and fold it like this. Yes, now it has become square in shape. Press gently and again roll it out. Try to roll it out very gently using very light hands, as you can see in the video. Spread the paste of the corn flour once again evenly and sprinkle refined flour once again. Fold it like this. Here spread the paste again and sprinkle refined flour. Yes, this was the last step and fold it like this. Now again we will roll it out to get an elongated shape of the dough. Now cut down the dough into long strips with the help of a knife as shown in the video. Now I'll show you the thickness of one strip closely. See? After having cut some strips, we will fry them into medium hot oil. Drop the strips one by one into medium hot oil. Once the enough number of strips are gone into the oil, just wait for a few minutes. Let them fry undisturbed and don't try to touch them before 3 to 4 minutes. After some time, you will see the strips have started floating on the surface of the oil. At this stage, you can overturn them and fry them continuously till they achieve a beautiful golden color. I think this is the perfect golden color we wanted. So, at this stage, we'll take them out. You can hear their crunchy sound, isn't it? Super crispy and crunchy snacks are absolutely ready to enjoy. You can easily hear the sound of this snack, how crispy and crunchy it's sounding. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy anytime and store it in an airtight container to prevent it from moisture. How you find the recipe, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your family and friends. Keep watching, take care and bye bye.